mixed.
The head and the ear.
Yeah, they do look a little bit. They've got the same spottedness.
Huh. I'm taking a video.
Yeah, I think this one.
No, they just seem to be hanging out.
This is what I was clicking in my mind. If we would see.
What percentage is it, Asher? Like 90%?
No,
90,
it's
like,
85%.
I wonder what they're gonna take down.
Us.
There's a lot of them.
Look at those in the back. They're playing.
Man, they're gonna be taking down us.
No, they're not.
What do you mean taking down?
To hunt tonight. Wonder what they're gonna hunt tonight.
What their dinner's gonna be?
They need to hunt a lot because there's a big family.
It is. It's a lot of dogs.
Yeah.
That's why they're called wild.
They act just like regular dogs.
Oh, there's a big bug in here. Some I don't know what bug it is. It's just flying around. Oh, it went outside. Yay.
They're not very big. They're kinda
I expected
like
them to be
small.
bigger.
I mean,
yeah.
they're like scrub size.
I expected them to be really tiny.
I see lots of young ones
I was
here.
gonna say it's a litter.
Yeah.
Maybe that's,
These guys just do it the easy way.
Let me count 1, 2. About 20.
13 in this front group. Yeah.
Yeah, 20 total that I see. What's up, doggies?
Drifting around the Christmas tree.
Yeah, they're very curious.
The puppies are very curious.
They're like, what is this thing?
Yeah, literally.
Who are these people?
Pet litter.
What?
Literally.
What if we made wild dogs not wild anymore?
That's what you did. That was domesticating.
Well,
That's why we have dogs in our house.
Bro, they are so.
Ears,
Close.
like so.
It's like
Wow.
Are you
Mickey
taking a
Mouse.
video? Dad, take a video of this. They are all.
I did take a video, but I'll take a video some more.
It's right next to the car.
What's up, doggies?
Oh, they're like coming to the car. They're like one. They look like cows. Their legs look like cows.
Their ears look like Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Maybe they're trying to hunt us.
That's what I say.
Maybe.
Hunting strategy.
Yeah, it's definitely colored like a hyena.
Yeah. The wagging of the tail, though, doesn't seem like hunting. Maybe that's part of their strat.
Oh, these are young ones.
There's some young ones.
No, these are young ones.
Hey, buddies. Hello. Come here. Hello. Come here. Oh, there's some right there. Yeah. I'll go pet 'em.
I know.
What the heck?
The babies.
Here, give me the phone. Dad, give me the phone. Taking picture.
Open the window. Don't take a picture through the window.
Dad, by the way, we're switching seats now. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. Look at me.
Asher, please be very careful. Do not drop the phone.
I'm not gonna drop the phone,
If
buddy.
you do, I would laugh.
Yeah, they literally look like dogs. Right here, Dad.
Asher. Do not put your hand down there.
You wanna leave your arm here with them?
Yeah. They're hungry.
Yeah.
Eat it. And
I'm
I
gonna nibble on
will.
you.
That
I will
be-
punch them in the face.
No, you
That
wouldn't.
will not stop them.
I'll show them who's boss. They're like, rah, rah. Then they'd probably eat me. Get that thing out of there, Aaron. You're just making it mad hard. Squish it. Okay, there we go. Oh, that noise. Yeah, that's right, doggies. I wonder why they're just all on the road.
Where else are they gonna be?
Hunting? That one's chasing its tail. Now it's got its tail, yay.
It's trying to chew up some.
Because it's hungry. Those are digging right there.
Yeah, they dug in the road too.
Uh-huh.
They're so sensitive. Maybe they're smelling, getting the sense of the mole rat.
Ah.
Yeah.
I want to see him get one.
That hole is deep.
You notice there's no any dick around now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. They're going after that hole. I was like, wow.
There's some bigger ones.
So these guys don't seem to be like a common spot.
No.
The bigger ones are. I'm
Yet they
getting
have the
chased.
highest success rate.
Yeah.
Like what happens when they stay in the background.
Bro, they're so squeaky.
I feel like they stay in the background, but then when they chase down the animals and there's no one around,
It's the power of the pack.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wonder what they're going after.
Power in numbers. Jinx of a jinx. Where's wood? Are you any wood?